Even though we are not necessarily a big consulting firm, we have a very big reach to Microsoft certified consultants around the world. Due to us having done this for so many years, we've established a strong network that we can utilize in projects where there is a specific need. If you're a customer and you are having issues with your dynamics, don't hang around. You want to get something in return for investment that you put into it. You know how hard you worked to get to the point where you got an ERP implementation completed, you went live, and probably the first period of time you had so many challenges that needed resolved, but you still feel that you haven't really got the return of that investment. And many businesses do experience the same thing. What we do is that we go in and we take a look at, one, how do you work with the solution? How do you improve your business process so you can get things done better and more efficiently? And especially with artificial intelligence coming out at the moment, do you know how to benefit from that? Do your employees know how to benefit from that? So working with a consulting firm like us that focuses on high quality and getting a return of investment can make a big difference on your business.